Welcome to easy-solution.com, authorized representative of Easy Solution Systems. Easy-solution.com, we are committed to see that using of RetailMan or any other of the package is smoothly run in your business. Thank you. Welcome to Easy Solution Systems. Today I want to be able to handle reorder, automated method of reorder. Now today I would like to show you how you can handle reorder, or in a fast way of handling your reorder supplier by supplier, in a way that you don't need to begin to impute everything one after the other. What I mean is that you begin to put in your reorder and begin to put in the supplier's name, and you'll start imputing everything one after the other, begin to select one after the other when you have so much list. So there is a method you can do, and that it will be very fast for you. And that method is this. Look at it here. First thing you are going to do is that you need to program all your products. You need to go to add and modify stock. Then pick up the products and program the product like this very product. Now you need to set up default supplier. Now, all the products that this very suppliers is supplying to you, you need to program them so that you can be able to view report by supplier. So now, by the time you are done programming them and you have chosen the product you want to program that this very supplier is supplying to you, like this, you have programmed some of the product that this very supplier is supplying. Like now I'm setting up this. So every product that this very supplier is the one supplying, just program everything. So I am just setting up a demo that I'm using to handle this. Okay. Now I have been able to connect so many products to this supplier, meaning that this very supplier is the very person or the company that is supplying the list of this product I'm linking to it. So it means that you will be able to track your sales by suppliers. You are going to be able to track your report by supplier. So now, like as I'm saying, and when you want to place order from this very supplier, it becomes very easy. So now the first thing I have done here is I have programmed my product by the names of the supplier that is supplying that particular product. Having done that, the next thing to do is you need to set up reorder quantity. So because what I'm trying to teach you now is how to make use of this import that is in this very purchase page. How to use the import that is in the purchase page to place order whenever you want to place order. So this is how it works. Look at it here. You come over here. Remember that we have programmed the product that the particular supplier is supplying, and now here we need to first of all come in and set up all the products, the reorder level and reorder quantity, which means you can come over here. You need to program their reorder quantity. Let's say that this very product, I want, if this product remain 10, that the system should remind me I should be able to go and buy another one. And I have programmed it from here that when this product fall into 50, that the system should start reminding me that it is time for me to begin to prepare myself to buy this very product, because the product I have programmed it that once it get to 10, I must buy another one. So I have a video I made. You can check through my channel so that you can be able to see where we explain about reorder level and minimum level, reorder quantity and minimum level. So in that very video, I was able to explain it very well. But for this very video here, I am going to mention it a bit, but not in detail. So you can get more detail in the previous video where I explain about minimum level and reorder quantity. But here I have this. Now I'm going to apply it to almost every product that is here by that particular supplier. Let me go. So I'm going to use a global under the stock. I go to global stock maintenance. You may not have access to this very page to be able to use and do it by yourself, but I'm going to use it myself now. So I want to set reorder level. Then I want to put like 50 or 100. I'm using 100, the other level. Then I'm selecting a particular supplier, which is the supplier name. Then I want this supplier to appear. Every product of this supplier should appear. So these are the items that have linked to this particular supplier. They are all here. Then I am going to command it that this reorder level should apply 100 to all of them. Now I save this. So I have 14 items. Now I'm going to set up also reorder quantity. So I'm going to select my reorder quantity and I'm going to put 10 to each of them. Then I want to do this global maintenance is actually a means of applying command that affect so many things at a time. But sometimes it is not good to be enabled if staffs are to be the one using it, because they may make mistake and the thing will affect your database, because they can give a command that will affect so many products here. So this very access need to be given to someone who knows what to do, who knows the system very well, who is going to use it very well. Or in other words, it's not even good to give it to anyone if they will use, because someone can use this, or the person that don't know how to use it very well can use this and just destroy everything you have, your database. So like here now, as I said, I want to set up this. I click here. Now I am also setting up reorder quantity. Okay, I have not selected particular supplier, so I'm narrowing it down to a particular supplier. That means only 14. Now I apply it here. So now we have reorder level and reorder quantity set up. So going back to my purchase again, please pay attention. In this very purchase, I want to order. Remember, before I start, I said we want to teach you how to use for import in purchasing, how to make use of it, so that you don't need to begin to scan every product, begin to bring your product one by one before you can be able to scan to place order. No, you don't need to do that. Program your suppliers, all the items they normally supply. Whenever you want to go to market and buy another one, pull your report, put in the supplier's name, click import, and tell the system to give you, to automatically fill the purchase page with the names, with the items that are falling between the minimum quantity or minimum level, so that the system should fill it in for you. Now the system will automatically bring it in. So we are going there. Look at it here. I'm going to put in the name of the supplier. Now make sure your custom is here. Make sure your custom is in the supplier's name. Don't bring it outside there. Then now come down here and click on, you can change it to purchase order. Then, and as I say, make sure your custom is in the supplier's name. Then you now come and click import. Now the system is going to bring this page. Then you click. So I want to tell the system stock item below minimum quantity. That is what I want to import, and I click on it. Meaning every item for this particular supplier that are falling below minimum quantity is what we are going to import. So when I click this, now the system automatically fill in this particular purchase order page with all the minimum quantity that I have set up. If there is any item from this very supplier that are not falling to the between the minimum level and minimum quantity, it will not appear here. It is according to your program. Look at it here. You can see that 10 I set up everywhere automatically show. So now for your placing order, now you can now begin to adjust them, how many you want to buy. You can now say, okay, I'm bringing this 100, I'm bringing in this one 200, I'm bringing in this very one 10, I'm bringing in this 100. Then you go ahead and adjust how many you want to bring, how many you would like to go and buy, how many you would like the supplier to supply to you. You can now begin to fill it as once you are done. So it doesn't need to take you time to place order to your suppliers, because you have programmed the entire system, and this make it easy using import to handle your reorder quantity, reorders, or your order placing reorder to your suppliers so that they can supply you the goods. If you use this make your work very, very easy. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, and don't forget, whenever you want to buy your license, try and buy a license from easy-solution.com. And don't forget, once you are buying your license from us, or you have any question at any time, we are always available to attend to you. We are always available, and we will give you every single support you need. And if you are a reseller, please join us, and we are going to make sure that we are going to support you anytime you have issue. Contact us, or you are installing, or you're doing that. As long you buy a license from easy-solution.com, we will be there without charging you any additional fee, to make sure that you are able to install everything perfectly without having issue. Thank you, and do have a great day. We will be bringing more videos to you for you to be able to know that with Retailman you can make your business smooth, run your business smooth, and everything will go smoothly without any issue. Thank you, and do have a great day. Bye.